Hey guys, it's Coach Woods. I was going to give you guys a quick video because I'm starting to get some emails for some virtual kids about getting on to Codeorg and Youscience. And, you know, unfortunately, guys, I think what I'm going to have to start doing is doing my videos after I do the lessons here in class. It's a little bit of a problem trying to do them before because there's some things that we ran into in class that I didn't really realize that you guys would have to run into at home by yourselves without really face-to-face instruction. So to make it easier, I might start posting my videos about this time every day for the work that day. So bear with me, hang in there with me. I'm going to show you real fast to make it a little bit easier for Code.org and Youscience and maybe anything else I can think of. So the first thing is Code.org. I'm going to open up a tab, go to Code.org, and this is the way you get in. You go up here, and I'm already signed in, so I'm going to sign out. I'm going to show you exactly what it's going to look like. It'll look like this when you go to get signed in. You'll click sign in. You'll click the red button, continue with Google. You'll click on your name. And unfortunately, when I go here, it's going to look different. But when I click my name, your screen will look a little bit different from here. But what's going to have to happen from this point, it may ask you a couple questions like, are you a student? You put yes, and it'll ask you your age, and then you go to account. Okay. Once you get to screen after that, you're good to go. You go to code, click on code, the black four boxes up here, and then you go down until you see this. It says join a section. Once you see that, you're going to put my 6-letter code in here. I'm sorry, I should have done this probably after, but we're kind of monitoring and adjusting, so you guys just bear with me. I'm going to try to make it a little easier as we go. And the way to find what your code is to put in this 6-letter code is to go back to my Google Classroom, and I'm in the 5th period right now. You're going to go to whatever period you're in, and you're going to find, and well, I guess you don't have to. You can go to this little attachment that I put on today. 5th period's on the top. Notice that 1st period's on the bottom. So if you're in 1st period, you're going to go type this code in right here into this box, okay? And once you hit join section, you'll be in my section. And then your sections your section will look like this. So we'll pretend that I'm looking at my 5th period right here. You're going to click on computer science principles. You're going to click on go to unit, and that is how you get to the work. Okay, the work will look just like this. Here's something I'm going to have you guys do today, and I'm actually going to put a video out about it here pretty soon for tomorrow. But what's going to happen is there's going to be a survey I want you guys to take, and it'll be locked until all of you get added onto my Code.org. So if it's locked for you right now, don't worry. You don't have to take it today. You could take it tomorrow, or it could be Friday. It doesn't matter. But at some point, you'll take a 28-question survey. It takes like maybe 3 minutes. But I have to unlock them for some reason. After this, it won't be like that. So this is kind of a newer thing. That'll get you in. And I'll put that survey on my video for tomorrow, for Thursday, the 27th. Let's see what else. I was going to show you also Youscience. Some of you have been emailing me about questions with your Youscience.com. I open up a tab. I go to log in, and down here I go to create an account. I put my email password. Now I put it again, email password, and then I find the activation code on my Google Classroom. You can pause this video at any time if I'm going too fast. Rewind it, watch it again. But on these I put the attachment for the codes. Every person in all my classes should have a code. And so Tyler Johnson's code would be Y3Y8. And I know there's a dash in here, but for some reason they don't want you to have the dash now. So take the dash out and try Y3Y8GC6N if you are Tyler Johnson only. If you're not Tyler Johnson, if you're Abigail Swaggerty, then you try her code. Everybody has a specific code. If your code doesn't work, which a lot of you have emailed me and said my code is not working, okay, then what you need to do is this little blue button down here. Let me move my screen just a hair. This blue button down here in the bottom right is a support chat. For some reason, some of the codes, I've had 3 or 4 in each class not working for some odd reason. Click the blue code and just kind of type to Youscience, the support team, about what's happening, and they will deal with you really fast about how to get that fixed. So, guys, up today, that's basically all we kind of went over. We signed up for Code.org, Youscience. We watched the What is Computer Science video. I talked about the drive file stream, which I've already put in another video. We actually did our code.org survey, but I'm going to tell you guys about that in the very next video. And then the only last thing I did, and to tell my kids a little bit, it's a little bit easier, is if you are on a website that you know you're going to have to use frequently or something every day, I showed them about how to make these little favorites or shortcuts. If you are on a website, let's just say I go to ESPN, and I want to make this a favorite because I want to make sure I come back here a lot and don't have to type ESPN. I can go up in here and click this little star and hit done, and it'll show up. I've got too many, but it'll show up right here on my little shortcut. So you can just open up a web browser, click on that, and it'll take you right to the screen. Guys, that's all I'm going to show you for right now. I'm going to put a video up for Thursday here in just a minute. So thanks, guys. Hope just keep emailing me if you have any questions. We're going to work through this. I know getting you guys started is the hardest part, but once we get started, it'll be smooth sailing from there. Thanks, guys.